Video coverage of IT Expo is brought to you by Content Boost, the content marketing specialists.
Hi, this is Jen reporting live from the ITEXPO Miami show floor. I'm here with Laurent, so tell me a little bit more about your company.
Hi, so iQsim is a French-based company specialized in mobile communication routers. Our offices are in the south of France in a nice location of the French Riviera, but we also have sales and technical offices all around the world, okay, in each continent, because our business is really spreading out a lot of demand in each of these continents. What can I tell you about our business? We have these mobile communication routers I've talked about, mostly for three types of businesses. First of all, for call centers or contact centers. Second of all, for corporations who want to reduce their costs on mobile calls, okay. And thirdly, for GSM operators who want to monitor the quality of service on the end user side. Okay, so these are the major businesses that we have. For the enterprise, cost reduction on voice, on GSM, but also sending SMS to their employees or to their customers, okay? Sending one-time password or some notifications or things like that, okay? Using our technology will allow them to send these SMS with a very low cost. Then you have the contact centers who will be able to do marketing campaigns or all these type of activities using this technology to reduce the calls from fixed to GSM and also send multiple SMS to do a follow-up. Another activity now that is getting big is bulk SMS, or what we also call marketing SMS. Marketing SMS is for marketing companies who want to send out hundreds of thousands or millions of SMS to many potential customers or users, okay? They will use our technology instead of working directly with other marketing companies or mobile operators, being able to send, once again, one-time passwords, notifications, or sending out a marketing message or a pitch to a full database of potential customers. So these are really the major businesses that we're into right now. And iQsim has been, for the last 5 years, having a considerable growth in business, most of the time between 20 to 35% increase every year in business, which is, I would say, something very interesting for us and which gives us the will to continue to develop our business. And most of all, our success allows us to put a lot of efforts and financial also efforts in the R&D in order to improve every year, every month, the quality of our technology, but also developing new features and new functionalities to answer as best as possible to the needs of our customers.
Very nice. And what kind of products are you showcasing here today?
Okay, most of all, it would be the bulk SMS product with our mobile communication routers, because today this is where the demand is. In the US, most of all, here at IT Expo, there's a lot of demand for bulk SMS or marketing SMS needs. People want to be able to send multiple SMS, as I said, a lot of SMS during a day, with the less hassle as possible. And being able to do a follow-up also. When you're trying to contact hundreds of thousands of potential customers, if you can't do a good follow-up, then you're probably losing some leads, losing some good business. So our technology will allow these marketing companies to be able to process lots of SMS, communicate very easily to all people, and get easily their answers back and be able to deal with them afterwards on a more specific case.
Very nice. And what differentiates that from other products in the market?
Well, what will differentiate this most of all is the fact that it will be an easy product to manage and to handle. All the SIM cards that our customers will be using, where you have the potential of the SMS, will be centralized in what we call a SIM rack or a SIM server. Okay, meaning that they will not need to handle physically the SIM cards themselves, because usually you have, I don't know, 1,000, 2,000 SIM cards that need to be used, that need to be managed. Here, everything will be done automatically. No need to physically touch these SIM cards, remove them from a handset, remove them from a mobile communication router. Everything is already stored in one of our boxes. Also, you'll be able to manage all these applications and sending out SMS through one screen. Okay, depending on if you want to send 100 SMS or 2 million SMS, everything will be managed very easily from one user interface.
Very nice. And how is it being received by attendees here?
Well, very good. Today's the second day of the show, and so far it's been great. The population here at the IT Expo is always very nice. We've been here for many years, and it's always a pleasure and very good business for us to be around.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Video coverage of IT Expo is brought to you by Content Boost, the content marketing specialists. Amplify your sales today.